I don't believe in ghosts, but every October my door starts creaking just a little louder. Coincidence? Today I've decided not to fight it, but to invite the mystery in. So I grabbed some paint brushes and an old doormat. And if all goes well, by the end of the video, it won't just be decorating. It's a polite little way to say to the spirits, come in, one at a time please. When we say threshold, we usually think of it as just a wooden strip between the house and the outside. But to the ancients, it was a border between worlds. They believed spirits lived right at this line, waiting to be let in or not. So that's why doormats were not just decoration, they were little amulets. In Europe, people would place bundles of herbs by the door to keep witches from stepping inside. In Ireland, they had pour milk over the doorstep so spirits could eat and leave the household alone. So technically, what I'm painting now, it's a protective circle. Just one with bats instead of salt. While the paint dries, a story. In the late 19th century in Louisiana, there was an old mansion. There they found a doormat that would change its pattern every October. First just autumn leaves, then the silhouettes of the hand. When the homeowner tried to burn it, the mat vanished. A year later, it turned up in a nearby town with the words, "Welcome back," scorched into it. Since then, this doormat has popped up in Southern folklore as a harbinger of something returning, something long gone. Maybe that's why we love Halloween so much. It reminds us that even darkness can be really beautiful. And yes, as I paint this little bat, your brain is releasing dopamine. That same feel-good chemical we get from chocolate or good news. If you also love when creativity smells like sulfur, pumpkins, and mysteries, stay with me. There are many more cozy rituals ahead. Subscribe to my page so you don't miss the next one. Who knows, maybe you will be the one to open the door a little earlier than the rest. As the mat is done, it's soaked in paint autumn air and something I can't quite explain. Now anyone who crosses your threshold will know magic lives behind this door. And if you hear a rustle outside tonight, don't be scared. It's just Halloween stopping by to say hello.